Hi, I am Dr. Lambeau, and it's time to learn Forex trading with me. Recall the old saying which goes thus: one generation plants the trees in whose shade another generation rests. Those who trade Forex futures today ought to be thankful to the seniors who created the technical indicators. This is because the technical indicators allow traders to trade conveniently. In this episode, we will learn about two common technical indicators, namely Bollinger Band and the Relative Strength Index, RSI. Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is composed of the upper, middle, and lower lines, and each band is designed based on the standard deviation in statistics. The upper and lower bands are on the outermost parts, and they act as the resistance and support respectively, whereas the middle band represents the average prices. Generally, the default parameters in the system are 20, 2. 20 refers to the 20-day moving average, while 2 denotes the two standard deviations. The Bollinger Band is a trend indicator that is used to determine short-medium trends. It is suitable for 4-hour trading and daily trading timeframes.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.